for today's call, we've got two projects. We've got Steve from Sqrow Labs, I believe, right? And yes, Yaroslav, nice to meet you again, a co-founder at Crypto Millionaire. So yeah, two amazing projects, two interesting stories to tell. And just to remind you guys about the rules, how we usually do that. So yeah, for those who are watching the second time or maybe many more, you know that we've got 5 to maybe 6 rough minutes for the pitch part and 10 minutes for the questions part. So for your convenience, with a timer in the upper right corner. So yeah, just be respectful of each other's time. And as always, if you have any questions, just feel free to raise your hand or put your questions in the chat box below. We're happy to hear you out all. And yeah, thanks for joining again. Just make sure you're sharing the screen if you really do so, and yeah, check your microphones, check your presentations. So yeah, enough chit chat. Yeah, let's go. And we've got our first speaker for today, Steve. So yeah, passing the mic to you whenever you're ready. Just
I'm Steve Wayson, CEO, co-founder of the Sqrow Labs. Let's start. First, we start with the numbers. This first is Ordinal's total fees, $385 million roughly. This year, I think it's even more already. I remind you that Ordinal's is inscription NFTs based on the Bitcoin networks. And second one is Pump Fund total revenue is $100 million. I think it's even more also. Pump Fund is a meme token generator that allow everybody to make token within $2 of fees or something like that. Who we are? We're basically building sustainable crypto products focused on health, nature, and protecting of the crypto ecosystem. Because of our systems drives everything we do like that. So we basically use it in every product. We trying to help health, trying to help ecosystem and nature. Even in our tokenomics is like that, because we have 510,072,000 tokens, which is representing number of the square kilometers in the Mother Earth, and the reminder that we have to wisely use each one of these kilometers. Well, our mission is, now we talk about it already. What we're doing, we doing everything from gamifying mass adoption to creating secure blockchain solutions and merge it together. Our progress right now is basically at the start of the 2024, we raised only $20,000 and maybe $5,000 for the server ecosystem. And self-funded the rest. As for now, we've got already delivered one complete product, finishing the beta stage right now, and have technical demo and MVP to another products and the smart contracts of the 90% maybe ready of the another products. So we are searching right now for the 450,000 by Sqrow vouchers. We're raising like that, and by the crossing of the 3 VC networks, and we're planning to scale further, but we're not planning to raise more. We're planning to go to pre-market. So 450 is a hard cap. Therefore, we have nice, sweet, low FDVs. And our key products is Sqrow Idle, first one. Is basically it's our ecosystem, and I think I will show you the videos already. It will be more convenient. Sqrow Idle is a digital detox app that rewards users for taking break from their phones, and actually we're paying for being healthy. Sqrow Keep is a 3D code wallet ready for those kids who live inside Roblox and Minecraft, and it's secured by Shamir's protocol. It's basically with split keys for 3 devices. That I didn't find suitable wallet like that for me, so I decided to make my own. And it designed for future generations, guys, so I think it's gonna be good. And Sqrow Chain is a clean Bitcoin native blockchain level 2 that avoids the clutter of BRC20 and Ordinals, all this crap that they are doing for the ecosystem, like UTXO Dust or something like that. And our Bitcoin-based network systems compatible for the P2FA, which is mean you can put information right inside the wallet number, and we're using native UTXO. And then what we've got more is about ecosystem and blah, 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 blah. One moment. This is our tokenomics, and what about money? Okay, We've actually have already millions of users in our partners network, about maybe 4 million users and 17 founders we're planning to exchange traffic with. And we aim for good start in the pre-market, therefore, to have maybe about 3 or 4 millions per each one centralized exchange. Then we're planning to gain initial market cap between 100 200 millions. I hope so. And then we combine gamification with the fundamental crypto solutions to drive mass adoption with the good utilities, basically. We try to merge these all things together, like, Notcoin and Dogs and etc. and old good crypto like that. Our team right now is 22 people, and 12 of them focused on the flagship product. And we're planning to scale to about 70 in the 2 years. Let me show you the team. Our team is me. It's Mr. Denis Dunovsky. We are actually protecting privacy, but it's available by request. All of the data. We have already legal entity in the Canada, but we're planning to move to the Dubai for obvious reason. But so far, we prioritize, give me 30 seconds more. We prioritize sustainability, security, building products that are environmentally friendly, good for Earth, and native to Bitcoin network, unlike BRC or Ordinals or something like that. Our solution don't risk to be being wiped out from the network. So we focus sustainable and ready to scale like that.
Yeah, it's time for Q&A section. Please, guys, raise your hand or put your questions in the chat below. Tell us a bit more about like your global mission and like global plans for this, maybe the next year. Yeah.
Well, first of all, we're planning to merge this whole stuff into the one super app because we believe that the industry for itself is gonna repeat super casual way of the mobile games that everybody have seen, from the developers to the users before. So far, we see nice and bright years because it's matched the bull market definitely for at least 1.5 year in the future. We're planning to finish minimum 4 subsystems from 7 and receive commissions from them and gain high capitalization. Basically, we have target 1 billion, but we will be happy with the 500 millions also. And definitely we see our future with the checking of the more hypotheses, not only those products that I said. We're planning, it's a hypothesis machine, business is a flow. So we have to check. Yeah, sure. I hope I answered at least half of them. Okay.
Yeah, we've got questions from the chat. So the first one is going to be like, what steps are you taking to address ecological and environmental concerns?
Well, first of all, we have one of the subsystems that called energy, with the 3 letters like abbreviation, Sqrow Energy. And that subsystem is aiming to help nature by promoting of the energy efficient mining called POEE, Proof of Energy Efficiency. And basically, we are awarding users by use wisely their battery, which can poison land if unwisely used. Poison land and water for like a lot, but maybe 200 liters of water, if I'm not mistaken, and 20 square meters of the ground. Imagine how many square meters is that for the millions of the disposed phones every year, and how many we can save by simply doing things like a Notcoin, and that's it. And we can help nature significantly, not just like words, because this is a mass adoption. It's millions of users. And about speaking of ecosystem of the Bitcoin, as I said before, there's a chance for BRC20 protocols and ordinals being completely wiped out because they even considered it as a national treat in the US. You know that? And it's like $1.5 billion can be just gone. We're planning to help Bitcoin network to, we don't need to make worry of the main core team of the Bitcoin, okay?
Okay, following next, what makes Sqrow's multi-chain system stand out from others?
Well, I say, first of all, of course, mass adoption system, because we're merging things together, because there is lots of the fundamental projects who not yet came to this all clicker tapper stuff. And we even already in the few steps away from that, we not clicker, we idler. This is another one, the second popular mechanics of the world. And one more thing that actually we using things that nobody yet using. For instance, for P2FA, nobody yet using the system that allow you to put data to the wallet address of itself by the encrypting it and compressing significantly. So we're going to do that, and nobody, never, ever will wipe out of this level 2 solution from the whole Bitcoin compatible networks. I think this very short answer, but we have limited time.
Yeah, sure. Thanks for understanding, by the way. Yeah, and the third one, currently, what are your friction points?
So basically, first and main one is, of course, the funding, because we actually fund ourselves for a lot, and that was difficult thing, but we aimed to not destabilize tokenomics at all. We're planning to give a lot of the airdrops, and we planned to keep FDV as low as possible, and we definitely succeed, because we have very efficient burn rate as for now for the R12, the best guys, and for 12 and others who is working on the other products. And I think we have done it good. The second one thing is definitely technology, because sometimes we're doing something that nobody have done before. For instance, we are talking to sensors of the smartphone each second, because we need to check the position, because we need people be away from smartphone. That's we basically awarding for, to not use smartphone, to not overuse smartphone, to be more healthy. And that was definitely strongly, it's almost stopped us, but we have a good front-enders, very good front-enders and good CTO. So we solved this problem for the bot platforms as iOS and Android. Once again, this is the short answer. We have a lot more stories. We ready to talk to the private Telegram account if you want. Up to you.
Yeah, explain a bit more the ecosystem.
Well, okay.
Yeah, what's included.
All right. Let's go back to the ecosystem and why we cannot stop. Because some people asking, why can't we stop doing everything and do only one thing? Why can't we focus only one thing? First of all, of course, we focus because we have many directions, but we have a prioritization. And we definitely prioritize product by product. That's why we have ready product right now. Otherwise, we will have a bunch of demos, right? But speaking of what we have BKYC right now, which is your login and password is your behavior. And this important thing, we cannot drop it, because if somebody lose password, that's it. But you cannot lose yourself. Second one is Sqrow chain that I said already about that. That is based on the UTXO and P2FA token minting. And third one is Sqrow Karma, which is basically the reputation markets. It's because there's only Certic or another projects on the Ton network, but they're not as deep. They're good. I love them personally, and I definitely going to collaborate with them, but they a little bit different. One more is a Sqrow Idle, which is wrap this all in one. And another one is, let me move this frame. Sqrow Pump is it's basically makes mem tokens generation, but more safe, because if somebody generate mem token in the Pump Fun or somewhere in the Justin Sun platform, he actually can have problems within a few seconds. So he can have zero, right? But we will make an insuring of the people. We can make the curve of the gaining market cap a little bit not as steep, more straight and more easy, right? So we're gonna use the virtual liquidity system. The next one is an energy that I said already about it. So you care of your battery, you care of your, obviously of the earth. And Sqrow Keep is our 3D wallet, which is, I think I already show it in the video. So they all gonna be basically together in the one app, one by one. Not all features in one, but main features, of course.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thanks again for putting your project out, for your presentation. It was nice and lovely to hear you out. And yeah,
thank you.
Without second speaker for today, Yaroslav, thanks for connecting, for being here as well. And yeah, whenever you're ready, just share your screen, passing the mic to you.
Yeah, I hope guys you see my screen right now. Yeah, am I correct?
Yeah, lock and load.
Yeah, so one more time, hello everyone, hello folks. My name is Yaroslav and I'm the founder of the Crypto Millionaire platform. So our platform is a multi-blockchain wallet that simplifies secure asset management, allowing users, to learn, earn through interactive tasks and different missions. So basically, the game goes to the classic mechanic who wants to be a millionaire. Yes, but it's right now transformed in our own way. So transformed in the way of how we like, in the way of the crypto questions, and of course the answers are also about the crypto. So let's shift to the problem, and I will tell a little bit more about the problems which we users usually face. So actually there are like three major issues which we have. The first one is the complexity of managing multiple blockchains and constant risks of asset loss, and of course the high costs for companies to acquire new users. So existing wallets, like MetaMask, like Ledger and other technical solutions, they actually fail to address this, necessary part. I'm talking about the motivation and engagement of users. So we are solving it. So here we come with our solution. As I already told, we are offering a multi-blockchain wallet with a gamified learning. That is very important point here, where users can manage assets while completing missions to earn cryptocurrency rewards. So for us, this drives like user activity, this drives engagement, and of course, this drives the main engagement into the crypto ecosystem. Let's go shift to the next slide. So the next slide is about the traction. So as far as you know, we have launched our application early in August. Yes, and right now we have like more than 100k of wallets already created in our system, and of course we have got like 600k MAU. All the players are just returning and they playing on the daily basis. Yeah, you can see here the numbers, but they're a little bit out of date because we are just growing from day to day, and this makes me like really happy, man. So and also this traction, it actually reflects the strong interest and involvement of our users. Yeah, and then we are shifting to our business model. So we generate revenue, through transaction fees, in-app purchases, and of course through the branded missions sponsored by companies. Additionally, in future we want to integrate and we want to offer a paid education models to provide, deeper learning opportunities for our community and for folks who wants to know more about the crypto, who wants to climb higher and higher, earn more money in crypto, and so on and so forth. Yeah. So if we are talking about the market, the cryptocurrency market right now, it's a huge number. It's valued approximately at 14 billion, with a huge annual growth of 31%. So the main point is that platforms that simplify access to cryptocurrencies are well positioned to capture a significant share of this growing market. So this is like our strategy. We want to capture as much as we can, and we want to simplify access to all users who are interested in cryptocurrency. Yeah. Of course, we have got competitors. We have got competitors such as BitDegree, as a Coinbase Earn, CoinMarketCap, Binance Earn and Learn. Of course, we have got the Kraken Learn and Cryptocom University, and all these guys, which I already talked, they're a little bit out of date, and the real competitor in our market is a BitDegree at the moment. Yes, and of course, if we are talking about the wallet competitors, we can include such wallets like Exodus, like Trust wallet, ledgers, and many others. But however, our platform, it goes like beyond the technical asset management, because it is actively engaging users with gamified tasks, with reward, and make it more appealing. So this what determines us from many other projects. I mean, this combination of wallet and engagement, this, in my point, what will drive the community in the nearest future. Yeah, if we are talking about unfair advantage, it lies actually our competitive adventure. It lies in the unique combination of the multi-blockchain wallet and interactive platform that incentivizes the user's activity through missions and tasks. Yes, we create a network effects where users become more engaged, making competition more difficult. Yes, for our competitors. Our team has an extensive experience both in fintech and in gaming industry. We have successfully developed like a cryptocurrency wallets and payment gateways before, with a proven track record of scaling previous projects, and we are ready to replicate this success with other platforms. So what I want to say is I want to invite all the people who are interested in our project to take part in it. And of course, right now, I think that by the end of this month, we're going to start raising. So if some of the investors are interested in our project, you can contact me. You can have my Telegram handle, and we can make our project, yes, fly to the moon, as they say in crypto. So yeah, thank you very much for your time, guys. And if you have any questions, you're free to ask.
Yes, thanks, Yaroslav, for the pitch. Could you please clarify how much are you planning to raise and for what?
So I will start from the very back end. Yes, we want to increase actually our marketing efforts, and of course we need to increase a little bit our development team, because we have got a lot of features in our roadmap, and we have got a lot of deadlines which we want, to come in all armored time. We want to do everything in time. We want to capture the market, and that's why we need we need the coverage. And actually right now we are raising 600,000 K, so it's not a huge amount, yes, because we have got a really nice traction at this very moment. I think that the amount of users and the amount of retention and their engagement, I mean, it's like a perfect time to start raising at the moment. Yeah.
Thanks. We got some questions here in the chat box. What are your developer needs?
Yeah, if we are talking about developers, we want to have like one more backend developer and one more front-end developer. So these are basic needs which we are actually trying to finish by the end of September.
And by the way, how big is your team?
Our team right now is approximately 11 people. So some of them are working like full-time at the moment, and some of them are working part-time. But if we are talking about the developing team works a full-time.
Okay, gotcha.
Are you planning to build any other products in the ecosystem?
Manija is talking about our ecosystem, or about the whole Telegram and Ton ecosystem. I just want to specify this question. We are focused only on our current project. So if we are talking about the separate projects, we are not going to build any products at the moment, because we are totally focused on our product. Yes, and if we are talking about our ecosystem, yeah, we want to build. Right now, we are working on building the model which helps to educate users, which helps them to get engaged in other products. So this model will make our community more engaged, more knowledged, and more interested in further movement in other projects. So they're gonna be doing targeted actions there. Yeah.
And I have a question. So why do you think, if I catched you correctly, so you are building a kind of competitor to the Telegram wallet?
Not exactly, but at least yes, probably.
Yeah. Okay. And in this case, why the users will use you, but not the Telegram wallet in this case, because Telegram has much more resources than you, for sure.
Yeah, 100%. Telegram has got like more resources than we have, but we want our players to use our wallet, because each drop, airdrop, I mean, I'm talking about the airdrop and about the tasks. We want to provide it to our users, and we want to provide it on our wallet, and we want to have integration of our wallets in in other wallets in future. So right now we already the issue that we already developed this wallet, and we want to promote this wallet, and we want this wallet to move further, to grow, and we want to acquire customers in this wallet. So our target is to acquire customers. We are actually like trying to compete, but at a very low level, at this very moment. But in future we'll see what is gonna be, what's gonna happen in future.
Okay, thank you. It's fair. Thank you.
Next one from the chat. How many people are already using your wallet?
Okay, it's like more than 100,000 users already activated wallet within our application.
And
I mean, like they all are our gamers, because they activate the wallet within our game. So when you enter in the game, you don't need to link any wallets or do anything. You can simply open your wallet, which one you want. For example, you can open the Ton wallet, you can open BTC wallet. We have got like 10 operating nodes within the wallet, so you can choose which node you want to have in this wallet. And the players, like if you are talking how many of them are our players, it's like 100% of them are our players, because the wallet has been distributed within the game. So the wallet is a part of the game is a part of the wallet. It's like the previous thoughts which I shared while I was pitching. Yeah, but anyway, thank you for the question, Judah.
Okay, thanks for that. And could you share with us like your future plans? Maybe you want to expand your ecosystem, or maybe decide to dig deeper into the app and add new features. So what are your future plans for the next year, maybe next 2 years?
For like 3 months we want, of course we want to grow. First of all, we want to grow our community, because community is like our bread. Yes, we move directly where the community goes, and the points of community and their point of view is really necessary for us. But however, our plan in our ecosystem, what we want to have a well produced knowledge academy block, which will work perfectly. Yes, we want to have some loot boxes which will drive retention to our application, and of course we want to collaborate with different Web3 projects, because this collaboration can provide these guys with our users, and we can exchange with users. So the basically plans for the upcoming 3 months is to grow as fast as it is possible, and to provide new features for our community.
So it's just 3 months. So you've got plans at the end of the year, but what next for 2025?
Okay, but for 2025 it's like TGE event, yes, token generation event. We want to launch our token, because it's necessary, because we want our community to stay with us. Yes, we want them to receive some revenue from all their attempts, from all their games. Yes, probably there are gonna be like some engagement of the games as well, so the game will be more interested. Probably we will launch some multiplayer stuff, multiplayer, and I don't know. We want to grow our wallet as fast as it is possible. So basically, wallet, game, and learning stuff. All these metrics are just the same for today and for upcoming 2025.
So you'd rather position yourself as a wallet-centered app rather than educational, gamified app. So the wallet is the priority in your project, right?
Yeah, right now it's a wallet, yes, but the wallet with education. I mean, wallet should come together with education, because if you have wallet, you can conduct like targeted actions within other applications, yes. But if you don't have education, then you don't know how to use this wallet and how to use other applications, yes, and how to drive the revenue from these applications. So our point is that we are giving all the tools to our customers in order to provide them with tools to earn money. So we are trying to help them get onboarded within the crypto ecosystem. So we have got like two main issues of onboarding. The first one is that user has to know how he should do everything, and the second point, he needs a wallet to do it. So that's why we are providing users with education and wallet at the same time. And for retention and for not to make this education boring, we are providing users with game. Yeah, probably like this.
Okay. So, are there any, I don't know, misunderstandings in terms how you position your? I mean, so you said that it is more about the wallet, but are there any difficulties for users? You know, that they, for example, came in to play a game. You know, like answer questions like millionaire type. But yeah, at the same time, it turns out that it's like a wallet and they leave the app. So does it sound familiar to you?
No. So
Okay.
you see, if you want just to play, if I'm answering, if I got your question correct, because you asked like if people come to play and then they see the wallet, are they staying there to play the
Yeah,
game? Yes.
I
Yeah.
think we got
So
it right.
yeah. So the point is, if you only want to play a game and you are enjoying like the classic Who Wants to Be a Millionaire gameplay and you're having fun, there is no need to launch a wallet. You can stay as a gamer and play as a gamer, and we are not forcing you to open the wallet. If you want to use wallet, here you go, you can use it. If you want just to play, you can play and you can earn some coins, and probably if we launch a multiplayer for the gamers, you can challenge other guys, yes, in future, and just stay engaged only in game. There is no limitation. So if you want to play a game, you play a game. But if you want to earn while you are playing the game, you can launch a wallet and you can use this wallet.
You can also launch like custom what is it called, like customers could create their own questions and like make their own quiz.
Yeah. Creation
And,
of the customer questions. Yes, but not at this very moment. We knew that many of them wanted to create their own questions, and actually we are working on the part of our project where the KOLs and like Web3 enthusiasts, they can create their questions, and probably we will add this functionality within our game.
yeah, I think that customer engagement will be pretty cool to have.
Yeah. By the way, have you tried the game?
Yeah, just got lots of fun with that. Got notifications for that one too. So yeah,
Okay.
once in a while about this app. So yeah, I know about that one. Thanks to Steve again and Yaroslav for being here, and for everyone's around here for participating. Thanks for visiting us this Thursday. See you next time. Next Thursday, or rather Tuesday. So yeah, let's not forget about that. And yeah, peace and love. Goodbye and see you soon.
Bye bye.
Guys.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.